Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Tom Grennan here with a song called Hair. Alright, so Hair is a great song here that goes in the same way through the entire song. We love these types of songs and they're very easy and playable, so you can really relax when you're playing. And yeah, let's start with the capo set here on the first frets. You see that, and with that we have these four chords: A minor, G, C, and F. So let's go over the chords. This one, A minor, it's played with open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. That's a bar chord. You bar all strings there on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so that is the chord progression through the entire song from the beginning till the end. And you're gonna play this strumming pattern. It's pretty long. We're gonna go into that now, and we need to divide it into two different parts because the first two chords will split on one round, so to speak. So grab the first A minor chord. That will be like this, and then you're gonna play for A minor almost the full strumming pattern. The split is just in the end there. So you're gonna play the part one: down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. All right, so down, up, clap, up. That's kind of the standard tempo, so. Alright, and then you shift to the next chord here, the G, and you're gonna play the part one, and that is simply down, up. And that's it, so it's just kind of a bridge chord that takes it till the next chord. So the A minor and G are the two chords that split on this strumming pattern. So the part one was A minor, down, up, clap, up, then G, down, up. Alright, and then you're gonna continue with C, one full strumming round. That means you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up. So both part one and part two, and then you end with F, two full strumming rounds. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that's how it goes. So slowly it goes like this: A minor, G, C, F, another round. And so on. So that pretty much covers Tom Grennan's Hair. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, and tutorials like this, please thumb up the song, subscribe if you haven't yet, and play tuned.